Hi, I'm Marna, and I found another great deal I'd like to show you. Right now with the Troll Movie World Tour, there are a lot of opportunities for troll collectors if you like this sort of troll. I really like the vintage troll. That's more my collection, but there are some cute ones and I don't want to miss an opportunity. Darren and I have been watching Lego Masters and playing with Legos a little bit. And I found these Troll World Tour Lego sets. They have 51 pieces. It's Poppy's Carriage. And it's recommended for 6-year-olds and up. And I'm telling you, when we put this together, there are some tiny parts that go to this. It is cute though. There's a lot you could do with it. Poppy herself, I believe, was 8 pieces. I counted them, might have been 6, but I'm pretty sure it was 8 pieces to put this Lego minifigure together. But I thought it was worth just having the Lego pack just for the little Poppy troll. I found these at Walmart. Funny story, isn't it always? We went in this Walmart. We took a little day trip, and these were on an end cap. And because we've been messing with the Legos and trolls and videos, I said, you know what? Actually, Darren said I should get them. I kind of looked at them and walked away. So I said, well, how much are they? So he took his phone and he has that little Walmart app and he ran it across here. They were $1 each, $1. So I bought extra with something else in mind, but didn't have enough. So we went to another Walmart and I found them not in the end cap with the World Tour stuff, but over by the Legos, and they were $4.97. Quite a difference. So I didn't buy any more. These are really cute. They are Legos, which means, you know, you can add these to any Lego box, box full of Legos, and have some interesting parts to go with your set. Or if you're a troll collector. Thanks for watching our videos. Please leave a like and please subscribe.